Hey guys, this is Anjali Mishra. Welcome back to my channel. If you are a bookworm or book lover, then this is the right place for you guys. You need to subscribe my channel and press the bell button to stay tuned and stay connected. So I'm back with an amazing book review for you guys, and the name of this book is Faith and Beloved, and it's by Kochari C. Shibu. The cover of the book is really simple and elegant at the same time. It's really nice, and this book is mysterious and a thriller book. This book is full of suspense, mystery, thrill, and all at the same story. If you are someone who loves reading suspense and mystery books, then this video is for sure for you. So watch the whole video to get more information about this book. So let's get started. This book is total of 185 pages, which is not too much. So the books, from where the book starts, you need to read about all the characters initially. You need to learn about everything, from where they come, what is their culture, what happened in their past life, what the struggles they have faced, and everything. You need to read everything. And sometimes I feel like while reading all these characters, a reader might lose interest from this book, but after the introduction of characters, you are going to love the book because it's full of mystery and thrill. The author has worked really hard to build characters, to set up the plot, and then the main thing in the story or novel writing is building a character. If you are successful in building a beautiful character, then you are successful to write a novel. So author has done a great job in this part. Author has built really good characters initially, and then he started setting up the plot, and he also tells how these characters meet at the same time and why he was introducing all these characters initially. There is a lot of information about one particular character. So this Faith and Beloved is a story of four main characters, which are Nethi, Alice, Arun, and Prem. Prem and Arun are brothers. Nethi is Alice's mother. So as I already told you, that story starts from the beautiful introduction of all the characters. And you can also imagine the character in your mind, or you can also relate with the different persons if you know someone who is like related to a character. So you can also relate it with them, and you can also imagine the character in your mind. It's so beautifully described. So now let's get into the plot. So the story is about Nethi, Alice, Arun, and Prem. Arun and Prem are their lives revolve around each other. They don't care about anyone else in this whole world. Now I'm gonna tell you about the characters. Nethi is a successful businesswoman, and Arun is a Kalari and living his life happily with his brother Prem. And now on the other hand, Ali is a girl who have a lot of knowledge about computers, webs. Most of the girls from her age, she know a lot about computers, and she is a mysterious girl as. Now let's jump to the plot. Nethi is married to a man whose name is D'Souza, and he got killed. After his murder, Nethi found out something that is going to change her life. As I already told you, Arun and Prem, their lives revolve around each other. They live so happily. One day what happens? Arun got killed into a pre-planned murder. And when Prem got to know that his whole universe falls apart, because he is the only source of living was Arun. And when Prem got to know about this murder, Prem wants to take revenge, that who killed his brother. He wants to take the revenge, and he got involved into murder of inspector, and once he is done with murder, he is on the run. Same time when Prem is on the run, Alice killed her stepfather, and we don't know what's the reason. If you are interested, you need to check out this book. Alice killed her stepfather, and now she's in the run too. And Alice needs to find a way to keep her mother safe. Interesting, isn't it? Wait, there is a lot more on the way. However, the story takes the best twist when all their lives meets together, and this is the best crossover I have ever read, and this is the best crossover in my entire shelf I have ever read, and that's because I don't read fiction a lot. That can be a reason of that, but this is a beautiful crossover. When they all cross over their lives, they need to retain trust, retain faith of their beloved ones, so they can find a way to so Alice can find a way to keep her mother safe, and Prem can find out who was behind his brother's murder, who was behind his beloved brother's murder. So this book traces lives of all the 4 characters in a very beautiful manner, including love, lust, fate, thrill, all in just one story. All the characters in the Eternity are totally different from each other. They come from different backgrounds, different beliefs, different cultures, and all that. But are they gonna help each other? The story is gonna take you into a bumpy ride in a mysterious dark world in which we are living, but we do not notice it. But it is around us, and this story is going to disclose all the dark things and dark, mysterious things which happen around us and we never notice them. As the story moves forward, there are a lot of things to get revealed, and I need to appreciate author for building so beautiful characters, and it's very difficult, I guess, to create 2 parallel plots at the same time, combine them in a one story. It's very difficult. And the last thing I want to say, author has created a really good plot. The plot was amazing, the characters was amazing, but just one thing which I found out was that, which I didn't like personally, was that sensitive people should not read this particular book, because maybe if I am a sensitive person, I start reading one character and I start imagining it that I am the one who is suffering, and sometimes it's going to hurt you. So if you are a sensitive person, you should avoid reading such kind of mysterious and thriller books. And if you are someone who loves reading thrillers and mystery books, then this book is for sure for you, my love. And this is all about this particular book. If you are interested in knowing more about more books, stay tuned, stay connected, subscribe to my channel, press the like button and stay connected. So happy reading and happy life. Bye bye.